Hello and welcome back to my channel. Don't let anyone deceive you into thinking that YouTube is a waste of time. In today's video, I'm about to let the cat out of the bag. I'm hoping to reveal the secret that many YouTubers are hiding from you. Yes, you heard me right. Today we are talking money, how YouTube pays creators, and trust me, it's juicier than you think. You see this? This is my earning over the past 365 days. Now, get this. Some YouTubers there are earning this kind of money for a single video in a month. I mean, in just 1 month. So next time you meet a YouTuber, just give them a big hug and whisper in their ear, should I send Azza? Because these people are cashing out steadily. Now, let's get into it. If you've been nursing the idea of starting a YouTube channel, like it's still in the incubator stage, or maybe you started but you haven't hit that sweet monetization mark, don't give up. The struggle is going to be worth it at the end of the day, I promise you. So, first things first. Before you can earn on YouTube, you need to hit 2 important milestones. You need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you hit these requirements, you're eligible to join the YouTube Partner Program, which is where the magic happens. Now, here is how it works. YouTube gets paid by advertisers for placing ads on your videos, and that payment is called CPM, or cost per mil, which is a fancy way of saying cost per 1,000 views. YouTube takes its cut from the CPM, and what you get is called the RPM, revenue per mil. So your RPM is what YouTube pays you for every 1,000 views of your video. But here's the catch. Not all RPMs are the same. Now, what determines how much RPM you get? That's where things get really interesting and tricky. Nobody tells you about the factors that can affect your RPM because honestly, once you know them, it's like having a cheat code that could give your earning a quantum leap. The truth is, there is no one-size-fits-all answer to this. It's something you discover over time as you learn on the job, as you review your analytics and see what types of video perform best. But one thing I can tell you is this: high views don't always mean high earning, and vice versa. For example, let me show you what I mean. Take a look at this video here. Notice how the RPM fluctuates as the views go up and down. Here's something you might not know. When you first post a video, the RPM is often at its highest, even if the views are still low. But as more people watch, sometimes the RPM starts to drop. This happens because advertising demand can change depending on the time of the year, the type of audience watching, and even the topic of the video. You see, RPM isn't just based on how many people watch your videos. It's also influenced by who is watching, where they are watching from, and even the device you're using. For example, viewers from certain countries might generate higher RPMs than viewers from others. And videos on specific topics like finance or tech often attract advertisers that are willing to pay more, which means higher RPM for you. So if you're seeing your RPM go up and down like a roller coaster, don't panic. It's perfectly normal. In my next video, I'm going to dive deeper into the factors that affect your RPM based on my personal experience, and I'll share some practical tips on how to potentially boost your earnings. So, if you're serious about turning your YouTube channel into a money-making machine, just make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. And remember, don't let anyone deceive you. YouTube is not just for fun. It's a platform where people are cashing out steadily, and it could be your turn next. So, see you in my next video.